What's up, UpKeepers? We're here on Release Friday. I'm joined with our CEO, Ryan, Associate Product Manager, Rachel, and I'm Henry, one of our Senior Product Managers. Rachel, why don't you kick us off?
Yeah, I'm super excited this week to announce our release of the ability to assign multiple assets when importing parts. So we heard feedback from all of you that it was a little tedious adding these one by one on an import, but now when you create one line of a part that you're going to be importing, you can include multiple asset IDs separated just by commas in order to import them in bulk.
Also on the admin level, for our single sign-on users, you can actually assign the different user types in the SSO settings. So if you want all your users to be view only, request only, limited technician, you name it, you can do it all from the admin settings. For all of our users on web, we've done a ton of optimization on speed and loading times. So in our reports and our work orders, locations, assets, everything's loading so much faster. And then Ryan has something really special to show you guys.
All right, you guys
unboxing.
all see this. We've got a box here. We're gonna do this in real time.
What's in the box?
This is our very first public release of sensors, and this is our brand new product line, the first one that we have ever done outside of our core application. These are temperature sensors, and the premise behind this is you can put temperature sensors around your facility so that you get real-time notifications about what's going on, and you can do that from a mobile device. You can set high limit and low limit thresholds and get notified and automatically create work orders directly in your UpKeep application based on triggers of these sensors. We're going to be shipping these out in February, but you can also look at the UpKeep Sensors website that we've spun up to get more information. Go to onupkeep.com and then /sensors. Check it out. I'm super excited. Again, this is our very first new product line that we've ever launched. I think it's going to be huge in taking all of you guys, our customers, from a very reactive sense into more preventative, more predictive. We're starting today with just temperature, but in the short-term future, we're going to be moving towards vibration, humidity. We're going to be moving towards line speed and voltage. It's something that I'm so excited about because this really takes you guys are customers to the next level.
Well, thank you guys, everybody. Enjoy the rest of your Friday. Have a great weekend.
Take care. See you next week.
Bye.